Great value. Love that you repurpose stock lights, and this thing is designed to fit the Kawasaki N400 without having to cut or splice into any bike parts or wires. I highly recommend this Fender Eliminator. Okay, great product. I stumble a few times. Got stuck on a stripped screw, and had to cut the stock piece with a small saw lol. Also, since I've never taken off these pieces before, I wasn't sure exactly how to. But after looking at them, such as the blinkers, you can figure it out. Putting the rubber gaskets from the blinkers back on was a chore. Your fingers will get sore. Lol. Total time for my install was 2 hours 25 minutes. But I did have a stripped screw. I took before and after pics. I'd post them, but not sure how to. Oh yeah, I didn't need to cut any wires. You disconnect them from under your seat by unplugging them. Took me a little while, but figured out how to unclip the connectors. And it's a tight space. The instruction were some of the best I've experienced. Even the little things that make the installation easy, like use masking tape to hold the latch open, and they mentioned the screws that help keep the turn signals in place are tight and you may strip them, stating to be careful not to, but if you do, we have provided extra screws to replace them. The product seems well made and everything fits like OEM. I installed this Fender Eliminator on my 2019 Ninja 400. It's perfect. Don't let the price fool you, it's not cheap or flimsy. Thick metal and very sturdy. Click link in description for more reviews.